Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Egro Gaming, and welcome back to another episode of R4 Ridge Racer Type 4. Now, oh, this. This is going to be very interesting for you guys because I'm essentially going to torture myself. Joy. Welcome to the Dig Racing Team. I'm Robert Chrisman, the team manager. The team's been looking forward to meeting you. Maybe you heard through the grapevine. Our team's performance has been, shall we say, less than stellar in recent years. In fact, people call us the Dig Your Own Grave team. Well, enough, though. This might be the first and last season we work together, so let's give it our all. Let's get down to business, shall we? I want you to choose the car manufacturer for us this season. So we're going to do something a little different. Instead of doing Lizard, we're going to do Assoluto. Oh boy, this is going to be so much fun. Assoluto is our sponsor for the season, just like you asked. The tail ends of this manufacturer's cars have a tendency to slide based on how you work the accelerator and brakes. We've got our new car and we're ready to roll. Let's concentrate on getting through the first heat for now. So, this, as you guys have already seen, since I'm going to read through all the dialogue, it's going to be the perfect run, so to speak. So, this is not going to be easy. I will say that much. Whoa there, buddy. Well, that was dumb. Yo, get out of my way, buddy. Oh, man. Amazing. You got first place. You're a natural, no doubt about it. But when I spoke to our owner about the race today, all he had to say was our team logo doesn't show up well on TV. All he thinks about is the corporate image. Man, give me a break. At any rate, there's one more race left in the first heat. Since you seem to know what you're doing, all I can do is wish you luck.
We're racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime. 2 laps to go.
Really? That works. So weird seeing a lizard car as the first position. Whoops, I should have drifted that corner.
Okay, slide left. You're cool.
Do, 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 do. Incredible! First place again? Wow! I haven't seen the likes of you in a while. But listen, the only thing our owner had to say was the race footage would make a great commercial. For crying out loud, all he thinks about are those commercials. No wonder Lewis left his team. Oh, never mind. You breeze through the first heat. The second heat is next, and it won't be as easy. Let's call it a day and get some rest. Sorry, I was checking my phone there. Yeah, well, actually, I probably should have done that, but oh well. Thanks to you, we were able to get a new car for the second heat. I was able to increase our budget somewhat. As a result, we were able to get a car with good enough specs. In addition, the crew made some mods to boost its basic performance. We sacrificed the controls, but on the other hand, it's tuned for speed. Just remember one thing, the other teams have new cars as well, so the competition will be fierce. Don't be caught napping. This is going to be a tough race, so hang in there. Yeah, with Dig Racing Team, it is going to be a tough race. There's no escaping that. Ah, shoot, that was the right song.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime. 3 laps to go.
Adios, amigo. Woo! Whoops. Not today, buddy. First place with a brand new car? It's true that we tuned it for speed, but you really amaze me. In fact, you performed better than I thought you would. I'm going to negotiate with our owner to increase our team budget. Just wait, I'm going to make sure we get it. The final race of this heat is coming up. I'm sure you'll advance to the finals. I believe in you.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime. 3 laps to go.
I knew that was going to happen. There we go. That's the better way to do it. Dude, get out of my way. He was definitely trying to block me while we were in the tunnel. He was clearly trying to block me.
2 laps to go.
That's why my lap time sucks so bad. Not to mention that was the first lap, so... I hate that turn. That actually worked. Where are you, buddy?
Okay, this is my lap. Keep it cool.
I don't like grip or drifting that turn, but I guess I had no choice. Ooh! Oh, snap. I was lucky there.
It's the final stretch. Floor.
Actually, he is saying floor it. It's distorted, but he's definitely saying floor it. Yep, he's definitely saying floor it. It's the final stretch. Floor it. Hello? right? Yes. What? For an ad? Something to generate buzz? But can't you at least wait for the next race results to come in? Fine. It's you. I was just talking to our owner. It seems like he wants to kick you off the team and bring in some famous driver from another team. I'm sorry to rain on your parade at a time like this. Oh, and a belated congratulations on your win, but the next race is going to be a lot tougher. At least for now, we should celebrate our win. Besides, we can still look forward to the challenges ahead. And that's why a lot of American teams don't survive. At least they don't survive in, world-class racing. Sometimes I wish I was Italian. It's like racing is in their blood, it's in their DNA. Italy has so many world-class drivers. The UK has so many world-class drivers. Yeah, our owner was feeling generous, so he decided to give us a large budget increase. He probably did it to butter me up for his plan to replace you with a famous driver. Frankly, I don't care about our owner's intent. At least we can now get a car that's worthy of our team. But from what I heard, the other teams have put an effort into getting their new cars as well. So the upshot of all this is that we still have a hard battle ahead. At this point, I only have one thing to say. Do your best to win. But yeah.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, the UK has a lot of world-class drivers. Italy for sure has hundreds, if not thousands, of extremely famous. Or not, what am I talking about? Italy has a lot of world-famous drivers that everybody knows. Even Brazil has, a few. France has a few, but I can't think of a single American racer that is known the world over. I mean, a lot of times when it comes to American racing, it's NASCAR or IndyCar. That's it. That's all we have. Like, you go to Europe and ask somebody, do you know any famous American race car drivers? They probably can't think of anything. They probably can't think of anyone. I mean, I know a handful: Tony Stewart, Jeff Gordon, Dale Earnhardt Sr. I'm not sure about Dale Earnhardt Jr., but Dale Earnhardt Sr. He was legendary in his time. But you go to Europe, you say those names, they're like, who the heck are those people? So, yeah, there are times where I kind of wish I was Italian, because I love racing. I don't like American racing. I like world tier racing, like the DTM, Le Mans. Not so much Formula One. I'm not a huge fan of Formula One simply for the fact that a lot of the cars are the same. But yeah. Since I am American, I do know some of the famous American drivers, but a lot of my European friends, they're not going to know who those people are. But then, of course, you have drivers like Alain Prost, Ayrton Senna. I don't know if Brabham was a driver, but he was definitely, I think he was a mechanic for McLaren. And I think he started his own automotive design company, I should say. Well, let's see, who else? I'm trying to think. Now, I can't really think of any off the top of my head, but yeah, Alain Prost, Ayrton Senna. I mean, of course, you have Enzo Ferrari, the creator of Ferrari. You have, is it Lamborghini? I think his first name was, I want to say Horacio, but I think Horacio was Pagani. I think Pagani's first name is Horatio. Now I'm curious. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Now I'm curious. I don't want to spout the wrong information. Yeah. So yeah, Horacio Pagani. So his first name is Pagani. Then what about let me see, Lamborghini. Ferruccio. That's his first name. So Lamborghini's first name was Ferruccio. So I had it backwards. Hello, it's me, Chrisman. I've made my decision regarding your request. I understand your desire to generate publicity. However, I am not cutting our driver from our team. If you disagree with my decision, you can fire me right now. Hey, how are you? Well done. You were perfect. I think your victory is a testament to our team's dedication. Oh, that phone call? Don't worry. Don't pay any attention to it. I just said what had to be said. Just don't lose your focus. We're counting on you to win the second race now. We're 100% behind you. Because yeah, I'm pretty sure Lamborghini's first name was not Horacio. Yeah, I was pretty sure it was like Ferruccio or something like that. What the hell was that? I got distracted talking. But yeah, Horacio Pagani and Ferruccio Lamborghini. And this car's way too fast. So for something like that, I probably should have drifted it. You're technically not supposed to drift that corner. Yep, these cars definitely try to block you. That is for sure. That works. Could have been better, but I did carry a lot of speed through there, which is good. That's about the best I could ask for. Yeah, this car's ridiculously fast. And RTS makes it worse by giving it a ridiculously high top speed. I didn't see what the top speed was, but I know for RTS, I think the top speed's between 158 to 162. How did I not hit the wall there? Hey, I actually managed a decent drift that time. Get out of my way, PRC. Don't you? Okay, good. Well, that's dumb. There we go. I have to initiate it as soon as I land. I pushed him wide. One minute 4. Or 1 minute, right, almost right on the nose. I just gotta go a little bit faster. Ay, ay, ay. No! I mean, I'm glad it actually drifted, but that was too much. That's the thing about this team. You're going to be using that rewind feature a lot. But then again, there's probably very skilled players where even this is like mappy to them. So, yeah, there's players out there who could probably literally do the blindfold challenge with this. I can tell you right now, there's no way in hell I'll be able to. That works. I don't know how people get so comfortable with something that they can do it blindfolded, literally blindfolded. The one thing that when I saw it that blew my mind was Gordon Ramsay breaking down a chicken completely blindfolded. He had a razor sharp chef's knife in his hand and he broke that chicken down like it was nothing. And not only did he break it down, he knew exactly where he was placing each piece, the breast, the wing, the leg. He knew exactly where all of them were, even though he was blindfolded. And when he did his trademark knife toss into the chopping board, into cutting board, it landed right smack dab in the middle of where everything was. I'm like, that's how you know someone has been doing something for years, where they know it's all just in their muscle memory. They don't even have to think about it. It's all just muscle memory. That's how you know someone's a true master at something. In fact, you could call Gordon a grandmaster at this point. Anyway, that was just a rant. Not rant, but I went on a tangent. Newsflash, Triple R backstage drama. D.R.T manager and owner at odds over driver. Chrisman may be ousted after the season. Leaked to the press by our owner. I don't believe it. Oh, it's you. You got 2 wins in a row. There's been only one other driver who's done this in the past. That would be Giuliano Gilbert, who used to race with RTS. He was an incredible driver, but he passed away. His father was Enki Gilbert. He's the manager of RTS. There are 2 races left. The other teams aren't going to back down now. The last thing we want to do is to get defensive and play it safe. We need to be on the offensive and go all out.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime. 3 laps to go.
Whoa, how did I not hit the wall there? I could have sworn I was going to. Woohoo! Ah, really? Good and good. Cut you off on the inside. Yeah, that was stupid. What the hell was that? Okay, that didn't work. Actually, at this point, I'm just experimenting. Yeah, at this point, I'm just experimenting. Oh, that didn't work.
It's a new record. 2 laps to go.
I actually kind of did that on purpose because this car's so fast, I can't be going through there at 150 miles an hour. So I kind of did that on purpose. Oh, and I also just remembered another world-class European driver. Or was he South American? I'm not sure if he was South American or European, but Zanardi. Wow, I cannot say his name for some reason. Alex Zanardi. He is the definition of a world-class racer. Someone who is beat down by constant extremely traumatic events, but always came back stronger than before. Whoops, that didn't work. Yeah, Alex Zanardi has solidified his name as one of the most inspiring racing drivers I have ever seen. Yeah, but for some reason my brain was saying Alex Zanardi, but my mouth did not want to say it properly. I don't know why. Alex Zanardi. And he was so, I guess, skilled or impressive or famous or whatever you want to call it, that Honda actually worked with him to make a custom signature edition of their NSX back when the NSX was still around. The original NSX, not the new one. So yeah, there's the original NSX, the one with the flip-up headlights. It had an Alex Zanardi edition. That's how crazy good he was. 3 wins in a row without failing. You've made history at Triple R. You still have the final race to run. I'm really looking forward to it. I plan on providing you with something special that will help you on the last race. Besides, now that we've come this far, we can't go home with a perfect race, right? Yeah, no pressure, right? Honestly, I may as well do it, just for the sake of it. I forgot to do it back at the first heat, but...
You've got a new card ready.
Have you seen her yet? She's a car that we developed for the final race. This is the best that we can do for you. Now it's your turn to bring victory back to our team. But we need to remember that the other teams have prepared for this race too. It looks like they've gone the extra mile to get ready. Concentrate on the race and do your best. Yes, sir.
We're racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime.
It's so weird seeing this car in green or turquoise. I mean, it's so weird. that was stupid.
It's a new record. 4 laps to go.
What the hell was that? Whoa.
4 laps to go.
Don't hit the wall! Well, I didn't hit the wall, but I did hit the bad section. Thankfully, these laps won't be shown. Ooh! Ow, that actually hurt. Oh, Mappy, get out of the way. Whoa! Got a little bit too close there, buddy. Alright, try to get as close as you can. Nice. Not perfect, but it didn't hit the wall. That's the most important thing. There you go. Dig Racing Team with Assoluto. Perfect run. Well, not perfect run, but no one's gonna count all my rewinds, right?
Now, a win by the Dig Racing Team. Woo!
Yeah.
This is a shocker, ladies and gentlemen. Who would have thought this could happen? You guys were always the first to come in last place. Everyone thought you guys were all washed up, just dreaming about your past glories. But you really showed us today that you got some of that old fight left in you. Even when everyone wrote you off as a bunch of losers, you really showed them you're still number one. You've earned your bragging rights again. Congratulations, you losers. I mean, the fastest team alive, the Dig Racing Team.
Alrighty. Let's see what the trophy looks like. Oh, yes. So I think it's if you race for Dig and you have a drift vehicle or drift manufacturer, you get this particular trophy. I'm pretty sure. The reality hasn't hit me yet, but we won, right? And to think that we were considered to be the weakest team in the Grand Prix. We managed to set an unprecedented record by winning 4 perfect races. It's all because of you. Without you, we'd still be the weakest team. Oh, the phone. Excuse me for a moment. Hello? Christmas speaking. What? What was that? You want me to manage the team again next season at double the salary? What kind of man do you think I am? You can't buy me with money, you clueless moron! Sorry about that. That was the clueless moron. I mean, our owner. You heard what just went down, right? I'm sorry I have to do this to you, but this win allows me to make a clean break and quit as a manager of this team. Although I haven't given much thought about the future, I'll take this opportunity to figure my life out. I want to live my life where I'm happy about whatever I'm doing. I thought about this as I watched you race in this Grand Prix. Well, well then, it's time to say goodbye. Take care. That's a sad thing. People who are in a high position, they are so detached from reality when they think, money can fix everything. No, it can't. Money can't fix everything. And that's what a lot of executives lose sight of.
Ridge Racer Type 4.
But anyways, that is going to conclude today's episode. And always remember, guys, stay crunchy. Don't forget the soy sauce. And as always, thanks for watching.